Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video recipe, we're going to make a really fun and easy pizza dough. And this is going to make 2 large pizzas. I have 3 1/4 cups of pizza flour, and that is 487 grams. 1 1/4 cups of cold water, and that is 317 grams. 2 teaspoons of salt, 10 grams. 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 gram. And our last ingredient, 1/2 ounce of olive oil, 15 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. I'm going to open up my safety cage, and then we're going to get in all of our pizza flour. Now if you don't have pizza flour, you can use all-purpose flour or bread flour. And then I'll get in all of my yeast. Give that a little bit of a stir. I just like to try to hide that yeast in the flour before we add the salt. That's good. And then my salt. And then my olive oil. I love olive oil. That's good. And then my cold water. And I am using cold water because I'm going to be doing a 24-hour slow cold ferment. If I wanted this pizza dough ready tonight, I would be using warm water. Close down the safety cage. If you want more information about this amazing mixer, I'll put it underneath the video, in the description box, and also in the comments section. So this model is the Pro Baker 5 Plus. And then over here we have the dials, so I'm just going to get this going. Take that up to about number 3. This is where I always mix my dough, and I'm going to mix this for 14 minutes. Alexa, put a timer on for 14 minutes.
14 minutes, starting now.
If you don't want to do 14 minutes, I suggest that you do not do any less than 8 minutes. Hey everybody, my 14-minute timer just went off, but I just wanted to leave the machine going just a little bit so you can see the action of the machine on that dough. You can see what a really great job it's doing. So that's it for the mixing. I'm going to remove it from the bowl and I'll be back in a second. I'll get my scale going. I always like to get my scale going. Put a little water on my scale so my dough doesn't stick. And let's get the total weight of our dough ball. And look at that dough. Amazing. 817 grams. So all I've got to do now is just split my balls into 2, and that's it for this recipe. So I'm looking for what, about maybe 408, 409. There, that's too much there. There, 409. Let's see what we got on this one. 408. So there we go, perfect. I've got 2 bowls that I have already oiled, so those are ready to go. Let's work on pizza ball number 1. So you just want to get your hands in there, flip over the dough right up into the middle. Just bring it up on itself, just like that. That's good. This dough isn't too sticky. Very nice. This is a 65% hydration. A really nice percentage for pizza. So I'm just going in here. So as I'm doing it, I'm going in and I'm applying pressure to the bottom of the dough ball as I kind of spin it like this. So go in like that. You can see how nice that is already. And then you can just finish it off with a little roll if you want to be a little bit more fancy. There we go. Just lift it up and right into my oiled bowl. All I've done is just sprayed both of the bowls with olive oil. We'll start the next one. Bring it in. Very, very nice dough. That new spiral mixer. Amazing. I love it. It really does a good job on the dough. So turn, looks good. A little bit of a spin, and then right into the bowl, just like that. So now I'm just going to spray both of the tops of these doughs and cover them in plastic wrap. So both dough balls have been sprayed with olive oil on the top. This one's covered, and then I just have this one left. Just like that. And those are now ready to go. So at this point, I'll leave both of these dough balls on the table for about 30 minutes. After that, they go into the fridge for a 24-hour slow cold ferment. That's going to really help develop the flavors in the dough ball. So that's it for this portion of the video. And as always, I'm going to take some photos of both of these pizzas once they're baked, and I'll put all the pictures at the end of this video. Hey everybody, as promised, here are some photos from my baked pizzas. Both pizzas were baked in my Gosney Arc XL pizza oven for about 3 minutes at 371 degrees Celsius, which is 700 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, I got some really good results with those doughs, and I was super happy with them. Some really nice browning on the pizza crust. The bottom was perfect. The pizza crust puffed up really nicely, and I was really happy. And of course, you can also use this recipe in your regular kitchen oven at home. You want to put your oven at 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's about 288 degrees Celsius, and you want to bake your pizzas for about 6 to 8 minutes. So that's it for this really fun video recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate it. And if you want Gosney exclusive content, you can check that out at Pizza Dough Pro over on YouTube. So that's it. I had a really fun time doing this one. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.